Guys, Tokyo Paul here. Let's go again into Don Quixote. I'll show you the basement. Donkey. $89. Wow. Spicy pepper chips from Taiwan. Onion snacks. 95 grams. 200 yen. Chapstick, you gotta have those. Japanese toothbrushes. Whoa. What is this? Dental peeling. 1,050. Dude, the battery looks like a rubber. It just moves back and forth on your teeth. Never seen that before. This is Tsumikai. This is the soap dispenser. I have this one kind of so popular. Press foamy soap comes out. They love that stuff. 600 yen, kind of expensive. Kind of expensive. Dude, I use this. I recommend it. 1.5 liters. Listerine purple. $10, 1,000. Blonde is popular. New colors. Black looks cool. I've used that. Sometimes I get bored of brawn. So many different types of toothbrushes. Well, these are popular. These are the bath salts that dissolve in your bath. So you can get the onsen experience. Different colors representing different places. Many types, man. Barth. Dude, it's like $9. Giant nail clippers. But what's cool about these nail clippers? They catch your nail on the side so it doesn't fall out. Just shake when you're done. Yo, these are new. $12. The cool stuff is you can just pull it right off. They've got wheels on the side if I can find it. It's kind of blocked off by this paper, but they fold and they have little they don't hold on so hard that you can't let go, and you can just pull easily. So it's very useful. You want to be it's a good size, good depth too for frying eggs and stuff. They even sell knives, dude. At every station is like a donkey hotel, at least big one. Every big station, and they sell knives. They're not the $200 ones you get at Kapabashi, but it's a good size, you know. It's a good size. Here's the Japanese egg maker, tamagoyaki. Dude, it's even $10. I don't got one. I don't eat tamagoyaki. I eat them at the restaurants. Well, I won't say what these are, but let's just keep going. Ooh, this is sunscreen, sunblock, good stuff. I'll give me some of that. As I age, skin is important. Hand milk, that's cool. Soap. I actually like these. Where are they? They're kind of new for me. These are the kind of like sticks for sunblock. Love it. I use it. Oh my god, good stuff. Cause handy, right? If you can find one that's around $10 or $12 is good. I get these. These are really good. I'll probably get them after the show. Cause you just roll it on your face and protect your face. It's kind of cool. Dude, there's so much to show here. including sauces and dips and the pasta. Of course, the ramen. Nongshim. You guys all know, Asians know. Spicy. I think this is oh my god, I forgot how it's called. But anyway, well, this Korean noodles very popular in Japan now. This is good stuff. This is the put this on the rice and you mix it with the rice ball. Furikake. The egg one's the best flavor for me. A lot more. They've got wafu, wasabi, mentaiko, and ume. Ew, don't like that. Very sour. So they've got a lot of stuff here, canned food. Not interested, so I passed it. They got ice. $4 ice, believe it or not. Whoa, ice cream. Haagen-Dazs very popular here. $2.30. This pasta's pretty useful, right? Pasta sauce. Just boil it. I really like carbonara. It's like $1.98. That's good stuff. Your wasabi, your shoga, your ginger, squeezable tubes. Your honey, jarred honey, about $10. Cool, huh? Very cool. Here's also some refrigerated stuff, tofu, more noodles, chicken. Yeah, man. And this is Tokyo. That was a little bit of a tour of a basement of Don Quijote. See you again next video.